A very good morning to you all, children, as I welcome you all in this first session of spoken English. Children, you all will agree with me that spoken English is a dream which everybody nourishes. That one day I will speak correct English, I will be able to talk to others, converse with others in correct English, correct pronunciation, so that an impression that I am well educated, well groomed is created, right? And I am regarded highly amongst the society. Every parent sees this dream that one day his child will converse in English, and that is the main purpose why they send you in an English medium school. So, in this session, we will be dealing with how to improve spoken English. So, what are the simple techniques which you can use for your betterment, right? Now, in this first slide, see speaking English, the activities for improving English pronunciation. Now, pronunciation, how we speak a letter or a word, the pitch, the quality, all those things we will be studying. Now, see here it is written some simple techniques and activities which can be used in to help students and speak more clearly, right? Because it's very important to speak clearly. Now, what are the important objectives here? The objectives being to heighten awareness of what's important for you, to focus in order to help them speak more clearly, right? To help the key component of spoken English, stress factors, to look at some techniques and activities which can be used in variety of setting and classes, right? Means basically we will be focusing more on how to speak clearly, how to speak correctly each and every word, each and every letter, and how to speak in a way that the other person is able to understand what you are speaking and can come to any conclusion or can derive anything out of it, राइट मतलब आप साफ साफ इंग्लिश बोलें, सही इंग्लिश बोलें और ऐसे इंग्लिश बोलें जो कि सामने वाले को आसानी से समझ में आए. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं आप बड़े बड़े वर्ड बोलिए, कठिन वर्ड बोलिए, बिल्कुल सिंपल वर्ड्स बोलिए, बिल्कुल सिंपल वर्ड्स बोलिए, बस सामने वाले को, अगले पर्सन को आपकी बात समझ में आनी चाहिए, राइट? Okay. Now we come to this very interesting chart, which is what is pronunciation? What is pronunciation? Right? उच्चारण. Pronunciation को हिंदी में कहते हैं उच्चारण. Now basically see this chart. There are three circles here. One light blue, other dark blue, and then a box of white. Now see in this light blue circle there are three components: segmentals, then vowels and consonants. You all know vowels: A, E, I, O, U, consonants, the remaining alphabets, 21 remaining alphabets, and segmentals, right? Means other things, some other things. Now, come to the dark blue part and see at the top it is written thought groups, means your thoughts, your beliefs, आपके विचार, then stress, tension, then linking, how do you connect your sentence, how do you connect your words, intonation, right? What tone you set up, rhythm, what is the flow of words. कुछ लोग को आपने देखा होगा बहुत स्मूथली इंग्लिश बोलते हैं, कुछ लोग अटक अटक के बोलते हैं. And then supra segmentals, and when all these things are mixed together then we come to clear communication. Right, children? Then we come to clear communication. That means communication is a process. ये एक प्रक्रिया है. ये एक दिन में नहीं आएगी, 2 दिन में नहीं आएगी, मगर धीरे धीरे आ जाएगी. So practice it till you perfect it. Now see, these are few tips of how to improve, right? Now see, the first one is heighten the awareness, right? And there are few basic rules here. See, I am at this point, right? There are certain rules of spoken English, right? Just as there are rules in grammars, there are rules in spoken English. Second, there should be comprehensibility, which should be emphasized. Everyone has an accent, so don't focus on sounding like a native speaker. हमें किसी की नकल नहीं करना चाहिए, राइट? कुछ लोग बोलने में नकल करने लगते हैं कि लाइक अंग्रेज की तरह बोले, राइट? ऐसे नहीं, आपका अपना एसेंट है. यू स्पीक with that and then start orally, right? This is a mistake which many of us do, कि हम लोग जो है रिटन ग्रामर पे इतना फोकस दे देते हैं कि ओरल पीछे रह जाता है. जबकि होना क्या चाहिए, ग्रामर इज ओके, बट पहले उस वर्ड को बोलना आना चाहिए ना. वी शुड स्पीक. आपको कोई भी चैप्टर मिले, आप याद करने से पहले ऑलवेज रीड. सी इन क्लासेस व्हाट हैपन्स कि the teachers make you read any chapter. Why? Just because of this rule, start orally. Right, children? So इससे क्या होता है? इससे पहली बात, जब वर्ड्स हम अपने मुंह से बोलते हैं तो हमको वो सेंटेंस के साथ कैसे कनेक्ट हो रहा है ये पता चलता है. देन वी आर एबल टू थिंक कि इफ दिस वर्ड इज कमिंग हियर, देन इसका मतलब कुछ ना कुछ यहीं कहीं होना चाहिए. मैनी अ टाइम्स हमको कई वर्ड्स की मीनिंग आ जाती है या नियर मीनिंग आ जाती है, राइट? ओके. नाउ see these golden words. These are the golden words of pronunciation. Trust your ears, not your eyes. मतलब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, when a word is there, we join alphabets to say that word, right? This is what we have been taught. See here, the first word is gray. So what we say, Gray. Now if we speak as per what we have read, we will say jire. Then we pronounce it as jire. Gray, jire. But what we pronounce, g. G is pronounced as g, gray, right? If we trust our eyes, then the pronunciation should have been jire. But if we trust our ears, then the pronunciation becomes gray, right? Now children, you know, the first step of pronunciation is, how do we pronounce small a, right? Capital A is pronounced as a, but small a is pronounced as gray, Gray. Somewhere a is, we use a in an expanded form, somewhere we contract it, right? मतलब कुछ उसमें हम ए अल्फाबेट ज़्यादा लंबा खींच के बोलते हैं, कुछ जगह हम उसको छोटा बोलते हैं. इन दिस वर्ड ग्रे, ए झटके से बोला और ख़त्म. right? Now, what you do is, I will be pronouncing each and every word, and you practice the pronunciation with me. The first word we have done already, Gray, and it is pronounced as gray. Gray. The second word, Black, 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 right? Third word, Mustard, 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 right? Fourth word, Auburn, 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 right? Auburn. Club the two, auburn. Fifth word, about, about, right? Then the last one, any, any. Now see, in ABOUT it was about. A is pronounced as a. In ANY it is a. Any, any. Any, we don't say any. We say any, right? Any. So this is the basic difference when we pronounce a in different words. There was a, we say a as a in about, but a as a in any, right? So I hope, once again I'm saying these words: gray, black, mustard, auburn, about, any, right? So today I stop here. I hope you have enjoyed this session, and this session will be of great help for you all in pronouncing English correctly, and will be a milestone, right? आपकी बहुत मदद करेगा आपके उस डर को ख़त्म करने में कि मैं, जो आपको लगता है जब आप इंग्लिश में बोलने को आपको कहा जाता है, राइट? इट विल एंड दैट फियर इन यू, राइट? एंड द बेस्ट वे इज़ कि घर से चैप्टर पढ़कर आइए, और क्लास में जब टीचर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे, रेज योर हैंड एंड से। गलत होगा कोई बात नहीं, नो प्रॉब्लम, वी आर देयर, टीचर्स इज देयर टू करेक्ट यू, राइट? वन डे आप सही बोलने लगोगे. So thank you children for your patient hearing. Hoping to see you again.